Hey there, how are you?
Today's Pro Talk is about foundation.
Well, we don't have to be, or you don't have to be an inspector to see foundation problems or telltale problems. All you have to do is just look at the windows, look at the walls, check the doors. I'm going to show you a few things.
Yeah.
One of the common ones occurs on the outside when the wall is separated from a window or garage door, or between the joints, between the two sections of the walls. For example, if you are focusing on this or zoom on this one, look at my fingers. Is thin, and then as it goes up, you see the separation by at least 1.5 inches. That's one telltale sign.
Yeah, that is a big one.
Yes.
So obviously this house has some foundation. So let's go to the next sign. Okay, so this is another sign, is opening the doors and windows. Usually this door is not locked, but it's so hard.
You have to kick it, right?
Yeah. It's so hard to open and close this door. See?
Yes.
You cannot easily close. It doesn't close that easy.
And of course that happens inside too. Doors to the
Exactly.
bedrooms and whatnot, you could check those.
Exactly. So doors, windows, and separation.